Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. Okay, let's get started. So what you'll need is you'll need a bowl, a spoon, activator, shaving cream, pigment if you want, and glue. So let's get started. We're gonna start with getting half a cup of glue, and we're gonna pour it into our bowl. There we go. I suggest getting a spoon and scraping up the edges just to get as much of the glue as you want. Okay, now if you want to make more or less of the slime, go ahead and do that. But right now, I'm just gonna do half cup. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the pigment. You can use paint, you can do food dye. I'm going to be using this powdered pigment. But you can use anything you want, or it could just be white. So you're gonna pour in some of the pigment. Start with a little, and if you need more, add more. And if you don't want to add the colors and stuff, and you just want one color or something like that, you can go and you can get, there are some like metallics that you can get here. But I'm just using regular washable school glue. I tried using other types of glue, but the school glue works best. So I'm just mixing in the color as I want. Okay, I suggest mixing it as much as, just so that you don't have much color in it. Of course, if you ever need to catch up, go ahead and pause the video. So you're gonna get your shaving cream, and you're gonna push it out. It's a little hard to push out. You may need help. Okay. So my shaving cream is kind of runny, but usually shaving cream is more like, it kind of looks like a little bit like whipped cream. Okay, so we've got that. Now we're gonna pour in our shaving cream. And same thing again, you're gonna get a spoon and you're gonna scoop it all out. Just gonna go around the edges and take it out. Okay, and so now we're gonna mix it up. Usually shaving cream is a little more fluffier than this. For some reason, mine wasn't very fluffy. Just kind of mix it up as best as you can. And when you add the shaving cream, it's gonna make it a little lighter. So if you made a really dark color, it might be just a little lighter and it won't be as dark. Okay, and now that you're done, and now once it's all mixed up as much as you like, you're gonna get some activator, just a couple spoonfuls, maybe 3 to 5 spoonfuls. And this is the activator. You can do borax and water, or you can do baking soda and contact solution. I'm gonna start out with 3. And I'm gonna mix it up. It does take a little while to mix up. You've just gotta mix it up, and even if it doesn't seem like it's doing much, keep mixing, because if you add too much activator, you will overactivate it and it won't be very stretchy. And now once it's kind of all mixed it up, you can just knead the slime with your hands. Kneading is basically mixing, but with your hands instead of with a spoon or a fork or whatever you're using. I suggest you have one hand that like holds the bowl that is clean, and one hand that is what you mix with. And then if you need to do something, like if you ever need to pause the video, because like if you have to pause the video, you have a hand that is clean and you can pause it so you don't get your device dirty. But once you have kneaded it just enough so it's not very sticky, like at all, then you can use both hands, because it's a little hard to do it with one hand. And if it ever gets super, super, super sticky and you just can't, it's just too much, you can always add just a little more of activator. Okay, now that you have gotten a nice consistency, a nice texture that you like, you can knead it with both hands, and you can kind of just play with it. And I suggest about 3 spoonfuls of activator with half a cup of glue and shaving cream. And it turned out really nice. It's not super stretchy because it can break. So it doesn't have to be like left out in the air, but I suggest like leaving it out, maybe like in a Ziploc bag, or just in like maybe a cup or a bowl, just to let it kind of softens up. But I think this is a perfect consistency and texture and look. It's really smooth. This is a fluffy slime, so that's why you use shaving cream, to make it really fluffy. And then you can just play with it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed your slime today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!